out making more runs. Whenever a car is getting close to finish, you are constantly scrambling for all the little things that you forgot or don't have or thought you had or lost. So had to go out and pick up a few things. We're pretty much set, but got to make one more stop. It is at Industrial Metal Supply, IMS. It is my favorite metal supply store. It's super nice, super stocked with everything we need. It is awesome. So I'm gonna hop in there, pick up a few pieces of aluminum so we can whip up this battery mount, and we'll be all set. So yeah, as you can see, everything you need, anything you need, all different kinds of aluminum, steel, stainless. We got plate, round stock. Found this little ram in the back, which is just a little drop from some other big job of a guy that just wanted to get a nice cut. So I'm gonna save myself a couple bucks by just finding the right thickness, and doesn't matter of the shape because I'm gonna cut it all down anyway. Get some 1-inch flat stock, 1/8 inch thick, and we're gonna need 1x1, 1/8 inch as well. Be a nice material to make a battery box. Cut into a little rectangle, weld them together. Some 45 cuts, real simple stuff. That's where my man Dylan comes in, weld it all together. This little rim piece will be cut a couple trapezoids out of it, some triangular shaped pieces, make it look nice. A couple nutserts, ready to go. Just got back. Dylan said he was gonna be working on the comp car a little bit until I got back with the materials. Sounds busy. All right. Squeezing. Right fit. Oh, what's up, dog? Hey, Dylan. What's up?
Hey, man.
You got your headsets on.
It's really loud.
I know. We're also jamming.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'd rather listen to anything besides that.
Yeah. We need to do something about that. It's all good.
Oh.
Better.
Wow.
So I got some plate.
Oh, word. Look at
Yeah.
that.
Plate, strap, angle, everything for a solid battery box. Not box. Mount.
Yeah.
Same thing, you know. What you got going on?
I'm just kind of mounting this thingy up here, so we have these welds that we're welding down.
Oh, yeah. Just cutting those back a little bit, making it sit. Hey, just going that extra mile and make it sit perfect. I like that, man.
Perfect. So I want to go.
I mean, it looks perfect from here, man.
Looks good from my house.
Yeah.
AKA your house.
It's not just good.
Yeah. Good enough.
There it is. Best part is no one will ever see this.
Nobody will ever see it.
No, but we know. We know it's good.
Yeah, we got to make sure it's right just for us.
Yeah.
But yeah, a little grindy grind and get to listen to that compressor for a little bit longer, and then.
And it's weld time, your favorite time.
I love welding.
Next up, I got to clean off the gasket material off of this thermostat housing. We took it apart so we could weld this little sensor on there and get a water temp reading for the AEM. Get this thermostat pop back in there. That'll be good. And then get to put this sweet billet Mazworks thermostat outlet piece on there. It goes right down here, located, and then we run our awesome little XRP braided, awesome, full race crimp style lower rad hose. Just like this upper rad hose, fits into the rad, goes into another sweet Mazworks billet piece right there. And this thing is got some nice plumbing in it, especially for a street car. But yeah, looks real good. It's really easy to work on, and we'll be using a lot of the same material on that thing once it comes together. I mean, I'm fine with some MIGs, you know. in these corners and then little stitches across the back. And then, you know, if you want to take the sides, that'd be sick.
Yeah, just zap those closed real quick.
Yeah, yep. That'd be ideal.
Hey-o!
Hey-o!
Not the list.
Straight up in the sauce, dude. We added something to the car, dude!
Go us!
No more cutting off, more welding on.
Yeah.
Yeah. The tables have turned today, dude.
That's exciting.
Yeah, I know.
Very good.
Yeah, it does really feel a lot better, as stupid as that sounds.
All right, coffee break.
Forward progress. Yeah, better take a break. That was good. Good work, guys. No, seriously, I'm getting... No, seriously. No, seriously.
Ah, look, I'm a rapper. What do? They hold it up to the ear like you use it as a phone?
Yeah, there you go. Excuse me, I'd like to call for a fresh race car, please.
Calling my lawyer. Damn, look at how real that looks. I mean, it is real because we're ballers.
Yeah, no, that's totally legit. As real as it gets.
That's why it just sits on the shelf.
Yo, let's take that, pay someone else to build a race car. Oh, that's a good idea.
This one? You can have this one.
Are you paying me to build my own race car now? Is that how that's working? Like the tides have turned, Forsberg.
I'm paying anyone. Make it happen.
It's not even doing anything anymore. Alright, right there. Ooh, look at that thing. You got her?
Yeah.
Oh man, you don't even need me anymore? Go get the camera. This guy freaking fires me. Alright.
Look at it.
Look at that. Sick little brace, man.
One almost down.
Oh yeah, round two. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Safety third.
Safety third, dude. Always and forever.
Right. Another pro tip. If you ever need to make a template, just grab some extra USPS envelopes. Perfect density cardboard, very thin, easy to work with, creases nice, draws on. Draws on, does that make sense?
Draws on?
You can draws on it.
Draws all. It's like a sawzall.
Yes. You can draw on it well. It draws your attention in with its amazing flexibility. But yeah, so we're gonna take this gas pedal. I gotta make a little bracket for a momentary switch that's gonna mount right next to it. And when this pedal's in, it'll trigger it. So I'm just gonna make a little tracing of this guy and then add a little extra hole for where the switch comes through, and we'll be in biz. Now I'm sure that looks like a big mess to you guys, but I know where I'm going. Just trace that out. Nice little extra piece of sheet. Poke those holes, poke that hole. Done deal. Oh, dude, we're getting fresh low on the markers. Woo, gotta go buy another box. You got pens for days, man. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What's up? Okay, it's loading time. Flip that light next to you.
Huh?
Flip that light on.
Oh, I forgot about that.
See.
Hey!
All right.
I hang out in the dark for fun.
Yeah. She's
A ripper?
about ready. She's not quite a ripper.
Not tomorrow though.
Hopefully tomorrow she gonna be a ripper. Yeah, just load her up, strap her down, heading AM in the morning, and our old friend Henry is gonna help us out. Henry, he's gonna look it over, check everything out, make sure we're hooked up, fired up, and running, and yeah, very stoked to get this thing running. So then probably a little bit of driveline tuning, getting all that to work right, shift right. It'll be a busy day.
Yeah.
So
is.
we'll get her done, dude.
Wow, it looks big in there now.
Yeah, you get rid of a car. All right, let's load this thing up. Pro tip: always cross your straps. Bro tip: never cross streams. Let's see how progress went on old Betsy. The little angle guys in there.
Yeah.
Oh, she's strong, dude.
Couple of tack welds on it.
Yeah, it's just tacks.
Let's see if he bent it. Oh, can't tell.
Oh, dude, totally bent.
She's rim.
Yeah, that's that. Day out, rolling out. Shall meet again tomorrow.